बर्नआउट हो रही है उधर लाइट का। दोनों साथ में खड़े हो, साथ में कर दो। क्या यहाँ पे दोनों क्या बता भी है। बाल बना रहा है और पीछे देख कैसा बाल बना रहे हो। Tell us today, nostalgic, emotional.
Absolutely.
Tell us.
Yeah, because yes, Omji passed away so suddenly. We are still not able to, process the fact that he's gone. So his last film, of course, was Tube Light, which he had 2-3 days of shoot left, and this, of course, was shot about 5-6 years ago. But it is one of his last theatrical release. After he passed away, Gurinder Chadda's Viceroy's House was released, and it was released here in this PVR, right?
Yes, that's
So it was feeling we were very upset because he was not there. And now, after the pandemic, again he's coming for a film, Omji's film, which again he's not there. Ishan, would you like to say something?
This film, we watched it before when just my father had passed away. That's when we first saw it, and this wasn't getting a release for the longest time. Of course, it went through censor board, censorship, and title changes. But we are very happy that it's released now during the pandemic. और लोगों को वैसे भी देखने का मन कर रहा है, बाहर जाने का मन कर रहा है, and not many new releases. So we are very happy that this film is going to be watched, and I am really happy that I am stepping into a theatre after 9 months, and this is going to be my first film.
Good, and it's your dad's film. And
So it's a very
Omji worked with the best directors in the world, from Spielberg to Tom Hanks to everyone, but he also supported the small filmmakers, because anyone who had a good story and a good intent, he supported. And we, in 2017, the year he passed away, we formed the Om Puri Foundation at the Cannes Film Festival, and we are carrying his legacy and his philosophy through the foundation. So please visit us on www.ompurifoundation.com, and more than that, this is his 70th year, and 18th October was his 70th birthday, and we launched our YouTube channel Puri Baatein. So Puri Baatein is a virtual Om Puri museum. So want everyone to visit us. We finished season 1, and in January we start our season 2. So that's the way to keep his legacy and his philosophy alive.
What is the main aim of foundation when I talk about?
Foundation, yes. The foundation, as I said, Omji had done 350 films in the West as well as in India. So that is to keep his legacy, is to take his films at festivals. We've taken them all over England, US, all over India. And he always said, he's done some wonderful work like Bharat Ek Khoj, Shyam Benegal, which he said should be showed in, schools and colleges and all, which what we've been doing. The other is to help. We started out with, as to take his philosophy ahead, to help students of theatre and films. But in the pandemic, what we did, because we knew FTI was closed, we introduced the Om Puri Scholar there, the Om Puri Fellowship with NSD. But since it was closed, we reached out to the Dabbawalas, the farmers, the Karigars, and the Amphan relief victims in Sundarbans. So we reached out to almost 50,000 people directly through the foundation, because we always believed, you can't take everything with you. So
Okay, have you seen this film?
yes,
before?
we have.
Yes, we have.
What is the best part you think about this film?
I have seen it about 3.5 years back. It's a small budget. It's a fun.
It's a laugh riot. It's a
it's
laugh
also
riot.
a underlying satire.
It's a satire, and it's a very hearty comedy as well. So it is something which you will enjoy it, and you can also take back. It has a social message as well.
As he said, I haven't seen the trailer, but wanted to know what social
Yeah.
message the film carries.
Yeah. What is the social message?
Well, you will see it in the film.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
When I talk about Om Saab,
से इमोशनल तो है ही, नॉस्टैल्जिक ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि यार एक जगह खाली हो जाती है। इतने बढ़िया एक्टर, इतने मतलब मैं उनके बारे में क्या कहूँ, दुनिया जानती है, और उनके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करना, उनके साथ काम करना, ये अपने आप में ही एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है, खुशकिस्मती है। तो ये
कुछ याद आता है क्योंकि आप इस फिल्म का हिस्सा रहे, साथ में काम किए हैं, कुछ अगर यादें शेयर करना चाहें ओम जी के साथ वाइल शूटिंग दिस फिल्म?
वाइल्ड शूटिंग तो दरअसल यही है कि एक चीज़ होती है, वो मुझसे 20 साल सीनियर थे, 73 पास आउट है, मैं 93 पास आउट, और हम हमारे से भी 2-3 लोग और जूनियर थे फिल्म में हैं, सीमा है या इश्तियाक है या अभय जोशी है। तो हम सब लोग शाम को रोज़ उनके ओम जी को चलो इधर आ जाओ, सब बैठते हैं, तो एक तरह से 20 साल बाद चलो तुम्हारी रैगिंग शुरू करता हूँ तो थोड़ा सा से हंसी मजाक रोज़ शाम को होता था, और बहुत मज़ेदार टाइम बीतता था। बहुत अच्छा।
फिल्म के बारे में अगर बताना चाहें, हर गणमान्य कभी लपू झन्ना था, बड़ा
हाँ, ये बड़ा कैची सा वो है, ये बहुत बड़ा सटायर भी है कि इस तरह के नेता, छुटभइये नेता जब खड़े हो जाते हैं और उनको कुर्सी मिल जाती है, होते ही बेवकूफ़ी हैं सब, तो लप्पू झन्ना ही था, हर गणमान्य बन जाते हैं फिर बाद में। तो ऐसा ही कैरेक्टर है, बन गया छोटे इलाके का जैसे कहते हैं नेता टाइप का, और करप्शन में लिप्त है, सोच रहे हैं हम तो राजा हैं, हमारा कोई क्या बिगाड़ लेगा। फिर वही जो है लड़की उसको भरे स्टेज पे पीटती है, तो एकदम सारा बुखार उतर जाता है उसको।
आखिरी सवाल, क्या मानते हैं सही शुरुआत है फिल्म थिएटर में रिलीज हो रही है, इस माहौल से पूरा हिंदुस्तान या
अब देखिए क्या है कि कोई कोशिश कर रहा है, करनी तो चाहिए, अब हो रही है कोशिश, धीरे धीरे खुलेंगे, ऐसे ही खुलेंगे। हो सकता है कि छोटी फिल्में आएँ या थिएटर में जाएँ, लोग आना शुरू करें, कुछ सोचें, कहें, आएंगे नहीं आएंगे वो तब की बात है, लेकिन ये है कि शुरुआत तो ऐसी ही करनी पड़ेगी ना।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू।